Hello there and Merry Christmas. Today I have the December Guzel box we're going to unbox together, and it came in this cute little paper, all cushioned up. And I did not do the prices ahead of time like I normally do because sometimes I'm just not on my game, and today is one of them. I don't feel good and I'm trying to. Blah, 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 blah. Okay, and here's what the box looks like. This is so pretty. I keep thinking these leaves fleck up, but they don't. Just this is unfoiled. So, let's see what we got. So, here's a card. It says December 2018. But now Guzel, it's a blank card. They do not put their prices on the back because not everybody gets the same. Oh, I thought that folded out. Not everybody gets the same box. Okay, so come a little bit different. It's like this time. They don't have a lot of these confetti in it. So the first thing I see are these little note cards that got a magnet on the back. Everybody could use those. I want to say, now I went and looked at their spoilers. Now my box doesn't look like any of the spoilers I've seen. Okay, so here are some pills, and let's see what they are. Restful Sleep Aspiria by Avon. Avon makes vitamins? I might be scared. What kind of hormones do they have in it? They're vegetarian. Magnesium. And then we got this DIY powder to clay mask, and it says mixing bowl and spoon included. There's something in there. It's the tomato one. I don't really do clay mask. I need so much moisture. I don't need anything that feels dry, but I will probably use it because I like it. And then this is, oh yeah, I'm serious, I can't read. This is Bouquet de Mugest, Lily of the Valley, I think that's what that means. No safety seal. Is there? Yeah, there is. Online like a rug. Oh, it smells just like Lily of the Valley. My mama will like that. So, here's, I don't know what this is. I know it kind of looks like candy, but it smells like coffee. So, let's see. This is vanilla latte soap. Hand soap. Homemade soap. Ingredients: coffee, vanilla extract, shea butter, palm oil, sweet orange, and other essential oils. Almost looks good enough to eat. Oh, y'all, I'm not going to. It smells, makes me want a cup of coffee. I hadn't had any today. And here is this little spoon. I don't know. It's Skinny and Company.com, which means company. So I'm not sure what this is for. I don't see anything that it goes with. Okay, and then here is, this is eye cream. I can read that on there. Awin. A new Awin. Oh, Lord help me, y'all. It's vitamin C serum. And it's a new. It is, I don't know if you can see it, but it's filled to right there. And it's, it is a serum. It's very liquidy. It's weird they put it in a tube. Kind of smells vitamin C-ish. What does that smell like? Vitamin C. It smells orange, that's what I meant to say. Okay, and here's another little individual wrapped. Maybe it's a candle. Says change the world. And it's got a safety seal on it. Okay. I don't know what it is. I can't, there's palm trees on it. Right there. And I can't read it because the writing is dark. I can't read it on there either. I think I showed y'all, but I think I showed you the wrong side. This is coffee. I think they got a theme going. I think this would be a body scrub because it is hard as a rock. I'm sure you wouldn't scrub your lips with that. I don't know. There's coconut oil right there. It's very much coffee and something. I will try, if I can figure out what it is, I'll put it on the screen. Okay, and then I got a little bottle of Garnier Skin Active micellar water. I always go micellar because just cellular is ingrained in my bone, but micellar water. And this stuff, it burns me. I have and my eczema on my head is acting up right now. So I will probably give that to my mom. I don't think she likes it either. Oh, here's another mask. It is a South Main lip gel. Softens, moisturizes, and plumps. Leave it on for up to 10 minutes. And then this looks like jewelry or something. Oh, this is 3 pair of earrings that come from American Eagle. I will definitely wear these big silver ones. As a matter of fact, let's just go ahead and try them. I got a mirror sitting right over here, so. I'm doing a bunch of videos today, so y'all might find me in same makeup, different clothing, or same clothing and same makeup. I don't usually wash my makeup off and start over. I just, okay. I don't know why I took this one out. It's this one. One ear I have 2 holes in. And I think it's the right. I used to have 5 holes. Hug. I'm not going to keep on with that. Those look good. And the other ones are, these look like roses, and this looks like, I don't know, some type of black stone with little diamonds. Lucy in the sky with diamonds. Y'all don't copyright me, please. Reckon they'll catch it. Oh yeah, these are long backs. Oh, I'm excited. I never get studs that fit through my ears. Except I have an ear clip that does. And there's a hole over here. Because this is the ear I wear it on. Okay. And the last 2 things are, this looks like, I don't know if this is a lip pencil or an eyeliner. Starry Night. So it's blue. So I'm going to say this is an eyeliner that should probably go on what I got on right now. Let's look at it. Don't you just hate those little things where you have to pull down? And then they don't, they like pull partly the way. I think this is going to be a roll-up pencil. You reckon? Woo! I spent 5 minutes pulling this thing down. Okay, so. Oh, and I didn't even pull the right side. Huh. Okay. And this is by Avon True something. True Color. There's the color. And y'all, it goes on like butter. You know, I was feeling some kind of way when I seen Avon, but I'm gonna like this. I usually leave my waterline pink, and if it don't show up pink that day, I put pink there. Or white. I like that. I'll use that. And I don't know what this is. Oh, it's a lip brush. And it fits like this. And then you have a lip brush. Those are pretty cool. Like I said, I did not do my, this wasn't in any kind of plastic or anything. Like I said, I didn't do all my usual stuff, like gather up the prices. But this was a much better bag than last month. I wasn't in love with last month. As a matter of fact, I felt a little disappointed, and I'm still a little disappointed. I like that I got earrings, and I don't like to be real critical, especially when people are trying to start up their business. You know, you want to give them all the fair chances you can give them. I'm interested to know what the spoon is for. I mean, I wonder if it's like, does it measure a teaspoon? And who is Skinny and Company? I'm offended. No, I'm not offended. I'm kidding. But yeah, that's my box. I don't know. I'm having mixed feelings. But like I said, I feel like you have to give, you know, a startup company, you need to give them every chance you can to, you know, get their stuff together. My mama will like this Lily of the Valley lotion. It's just a little too, I am a spice and wood scent girl. I mean, it's got to smell warm and almost manly for me to like it. Not really manly, but warm and spicy and woody. So yeah, that's our box. And I think the box, this part was considered part of the a part of it. You know, I've sent this box for review. So, but I feel like I have to give an honest review, or I haven't done what I should. But thank you for joining me today. And like I said, I hope y'all have a Merry Christmas. And I'll figure up all the prices and put them on the screen. And I'll talk to y'all later. Bye-bye.